Welcome to the ultimate guide to launching a profitable YouTube channel in 2025. Have you ever wondered how creators turn their passions into thriving online empires? Whether it's gamers amassing millions, fitness gurus transforming lives, or tech experts reviewing the latest gadgets, YouTube is the platform where it all happens. And here's the best part, 2025 is shaping up to be the best year to start your channel. Why? YouTube is evolving faster than ever with new tools to help creators like you succeed, more ways to monetize, smarter algorithms that reward creativity, and an audience hungry for authentic content. So, are you ready to take the leap? Stick around because this video is packed with actionable tips, step-by-step strategies, and insider secrets that will set you up for success. Let's make your YouTube dreams a reality. Why YouTube in 2025? Let's talk about why 2025 is the perfect time to start your YouTube journey. This platform isn't just thriving, it's evolving in ways that make it easier than ever to build and monetize your channel. Whether you're aiming for part-time income or full-time freedom, YouTube is packed with opportunities this year. First, let's dive into monetization. YouTube's added more ways to earn. 1. Shorts bonuses, even quick, snappy videos can bring in serious cash. 2. Channel memberships, build a loyal fan base willing to pay for exclusive perks. 3. Courses and paid content, share your expertise and charge for it directly on YouTube. These new features mean you can tailor your income streams to fit your unique style. Next, the rise of niche audiences. Big, broad topics are out, specific, community-driven content is in. No matter how unique your passion is, there's an audience waiting for it on YouTube. And let's not forget the tools. From AI-powered video editing and trend forecasting to analytics that predict what your audience will love, creators now have powerful resources at their fingertips. Plus, the barrier to entry has never been lower. All you need is a smartphone, an internet connection, and dedication. Don't let gear hold you back, what matters most is your creativity and consistency. Think about this, in 2024, creators like Sarah from Budget Bliss went from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in under a year by sharing simple money-saving hacks. Or Jamie, whose retro gaming channel earns thousands monthly through memberships alone. These stories aren't rare, they're proof that success is within your reach. So, why wait? The YouTube of 2025 is ready for you to shine. Let's dive into the steps to get started. Step 1. Finding your niche and setting clear goals. Every great YouTube channel starts with two things, a clear niche and well-defined goals. Let's tackle the first step, finding your niche, because this decision can make or break your channel. Your niche is where your passion and market demand overlap. Here's how to find it. Start by listing what you're passionate about. Then, research whether there's an audience searching for those topics. For example, 1. If you love cooking, narrow it down to something specific like vegan meal prep for beginners. 2. Into gaming? 2. Focus on walkthroughs for indie games, a growing community craving fresh perspectives. Get specific. The more focused your niche, the easier it is to stand out on a crowded platform. Next, let's establish your SMART goals, clear objectives that keep you on track. SMART stands for 1. Specific, define your channel's purpose. 1. For instance, help 10,000 people improve their fitness routines. 2. Measurable, set growth targets like 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. 3. Actionable, commit to specific actions, like uploading one video per week. 4. Relevant, align your goals with your audience's interests, if they're beginner cooks, cater to their needs. 5. Time-bound, add deadlines. 5. For example, reach monetization requirements within 6 months. Writing down your goals and reviewing them often helps you stay motivated and focused. Remember, YouTube success isn't just about uploading content, it's about doing it with a purpose. Now that you've chosen a niche and set your goals, you've taken the first major step toward creating a profitable YouTube channel. Next, we'll dive into how to research your market and position yourself for success. Step 2. Researching your market. Once you've identified your niche and set your goals, the next step is understanding your market. Researching your audience and competition is essential to carving out your space on YouTube. Let's break it down. First, analyze the top performing channels in your niche. Look at their content style. Are they casual and conversational, or polished and professional? Take note of their posting frequency and engagement levels. How often do they upload, and how many likes or comments do their videos receive? Next, pinpoint their unique selling points, or USPs. For example, 1. A fitness channel might stand out by focusing on quick, no equipment workouts. 2. A gaming channel could specialize in tips for indie games no one else is covering. Ask yourself, what are they doing well, and where can you fill a gap or bring something new? Now, let's talk tools. TubeBuddy and vidIQ are game changers for finding high-performing keywords and analyzing trends. Google Trends is another great way to see what people are searching for. Use these tools to uncover what's popular and what's missing in your niche. Here's how it works. Let's say your channel is about fitness. Search for 2025 fitness trends using these tools. You might discover that low-impact workouts are trending, but there's little content focusing on busy parents. That's a gap you can target with unique videos. By understanding your competitors and leveraging keyword research tools, you'll position your channel for success from the start. Next, we'll cover how to set up your channel and make it stand out visually and strategically. Step 3, setting up your channel. Now that you've researched your market, it's time to roll up your sleeves and set up your channel. A polished and professional setup is your first impression. Let's make it count. Start with the basics. Create a Google account if you don't already have one, then go to YouTube Studio to launch your channel. It's quick and straightforward, but here's where the fun begins: optimizing your channel name and branding. Choose a name that reflects your niche and personality. For example, if you're a gamer, Indie Game Guru signals expertise and focus. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Next, let's make your profile pop. Use tools like Canva to create a custom banner and profile picture. Your banner should include your channel name, tagline, and upload schedule. This gives visitors a clear idea of what to expect. Now, write an engaging about section. Keep it concise and use a friendly tone. For example, welcome to Tech Tuesdays. Here, we simplify tech for beginners with weekly tutorials and product reviews. Subscribe and join the journey. Finally, create a channel trailer. This is your elevator pitch for new viewers. Keep it under 60 seconds, and answer these 3 questions. 1. Who are you? 2. What does your channel offer? 3. Why should viewers subscribe? For example, hi, I'm Alex. If you're looking for quick and easy meal prep ideas, you've found your channel. Subscribe for weekly tips and tricks that'll save you time and money. With a professional setup, a compelling profile, and an engaging trailer, you're ready to make a stellar first impression. Next, we'll map out your content strategy to keep your channel growing from day one. Step 4, planning your content strategy. Once your channel is set up, it's time to focus on the heart of your success, your content strategy. Creating videos without a plan is like throwing darts in the dark. Let's shed some light by understanding your audience, organizing your ideas, and crafting content that hooks viewers from the start. Start by building a picture of your ideal audience. Ask yourself: 1. How old are they? 2. What are their interests and hobbies? 3. What problems do they want solved? 4. What kind of videos do they enjoy? Quick tips, tutorials, or in-depth explainers? For example, if your niche is fitness, your audience might be busy professionals aged 25 to 40 looking for quick workout routines. By understanding their needs, you can tailor your content to provide maximum value. Now, let's talk planning. A strong strategy balances 2 types of content. 1. Evergreen content, videos that remain relevant for years, like how to save $1,000 in 30 days. 2. Trending topics, timely videos that capitalize on current interests, such as crypto trends to watch in 2025. This mix helps you attract a steady stream of new viewers while keeping your existing audience engaged. Finally, you need video ideas that stop people mid-scroll. Use hooks like: 1. The top 5 secrets to. 2. You're doing this wrong. 3. How I earned $10,000 in 1 month. These titles spark curiosity and make viewers want to click. By understanding your audience, planning your content, and using attention-grabbing hooks, you'll create videos that not only attract viewers but keep them coming back for more. Up next, we'll tackle how to produce your videos like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Step 5, producing your videos. Now that you've planned your content, it's time to bring your ideas to life. Producing high-quality videos doesn't require a fancy setup. Let's talk equipment, structure, and editing to help you create videos that look professional and keep viewers engaged. You don't need expensive gear to get started. A smartphone with a decent camera is more than enough for your first videos. Pair it with a lavalier microphone or a USB mic for clear audio. Bad sound is the fastest way to lose viewers. For lighting, try a ring light for consistent brightness, or use natural light by filming near a window. Position the light in front of you to avoid shadows and keep your videos looking polished. Next, let's structure your video for maximum retention. 1. Start with a hook. Grab attention in the first 10 seconds. 1. Ask a question, share a shocking fact, or tease an exciting outcome. Example: did you know 90% of new YouTubers quit within 6 months? Here's how to avoid being one of them. 2. Story/content. Deliver the bulk of your video using visuals, text overlays, and demonstrations to keep viewers engaged. 3. Call to action. End by inviting likes, comments, and subscriptions. For example, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know your next video idea in the comments. Editing brings your footage to life. Beginners can use free tools like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut to cut unnecessary parts, add smooth transitions, and enhance your videos with music. Don't forget captions, they make your videos more accessible and improve viewer retention. With the right equipment, a solid structure, and basic editing skills, you're ready to produce videos that captivate your audience. Next, we'll dive into how to optimize and upload your videos for success. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing your videos. Congratulations! You've filmed and edited your video. Now it's time to upload it and ensure it gets noticed. Optimization is the key to helping your content stand out and rank higher in search results. Let's break it down. Start with metadata. Your title should include relevant keywords while being clear and engaging. For example, instead of "my fitness journey," try "how I lost 20 pounds with easy home workouts." In your description, naturally include keywords while giving viewers context. Mention what your video is about, add links to related content, and include a call to action like, "Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips." Lastly, use tags to highlight your video's key topics. Think of them as additional search terms. Pro tip: add timestamps to your description. This helps viewers jump to specific parts of your video and boosts your video's SEO. Thumbnails are like billboards for your video, make them count. Use bold text to convey your video's main idea, choose contrasting colors to grab attention, and ensure the imagery is clear, even at a small size. Remember, a great thumbnail can be the difference between a click and a scroll past. To maximize visibility, leverage SEO, search engine optimization. Use keywords naturally in your video's description and captions. For instance, if your video is about DIY home decor, include phrases like "easy DIY home decor ideas" throughout your description. Don't skip captions. They not only make your videos accessible to a wider audience but also help YouTube's algorithm understand your content better. With your metadata, thumbnail, and SEO on point, your video is primed to perform its best. In the next section, we'll focus on how to grow your audience and build a community around your channel. Step 7. Growing your audience. Uploading a video is just the beginning. To truly succeed on YouTube, you need to grow and nurture your audience. Let's explore how to engage with your viewers, collaborate with other creators, and use social media to expand your reach. Start by connecting with your viewers. Reply to their comments, it shows you value their input and encourages more interaction. Ask open-ended questions like, "What's your favorite tip from this video?" Or "What should I cover next?" This isn't just about engagement, it's about building a loyal community that feels heard and appreciated. Collaborations are a powerful way to grow. Partner with creators in your niche who have a similar audience size. For example, if you run a fitness channel, team up with a nutritionist to create complementary content like best pre-workout meals for home workouts. Cross-promote each other's videos, and you'll tap into a new audience that's already interested in your content. Don't limit yourself to YouTube, repurpose your content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. 1. Share teaser clips or behind-the-scenes moments to spark curiosity. 2. Post tips or highlights as reels, stories, or tweets. 3. Use hashtags and trending sounds to increase visibility. Each platform can serve as a gateway to attract viewers back to your channel. Engaging with your community, collaborating with others, and promoting your content across social media will help you build a thriving audience. Next, we'll dive into the exciting world of monetization, where your hard work starts paying off. Step 8. Monetizing your channel. Now for the part you've been waiting for, turning your YouTube passion into profit. Monetizing your channel doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and strategy, it's absolutely achievable. Let's explore how to get started and diversify your income streams. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need two things. 1. 1,000 subscribers. 2. 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. Once you hit these milestones, you can start earning ad revenue and unlock powerful monetization features. YPP benefits include: 1. Ad revenue, get paid for the ads that run on your videos. 2. Super thanks, viewers can send tips directly on your videos as a thank you. 3. Channel memberships, offer exclusive perks to loyal fans who pay a monthly fee, like bonus content or shoutouts. While YPP is a great start, don't rely solely on ad revenue. Diversify your income with these strategies. 1. Sponsored content, partner with brands that align with your niche. 1. For example, a fitness channel might promote workout gear or supplements. 2. Affiliate marketing, share product links in your descriptions and earn a commission for every sale. 2. This works particularly well for tech and lifestyle channels. 3. Merchandise or online courses, create and sell branded items like t-shirts or teach your audience a skill through paid courses. 3. Each of these options provides new ways to earn while catering to your audience's interests. With multiple income streams, your channel becomes more than just a creative outlet, it's a sustainable business. In the final section, we'll cover how to analyze your performance and adapt for long-term growth. Step 9. Analyzing and improving your performance. You've uploaded your videos and started building an audience, but how do you know what's working and what needs improvement? The answer lies in YouTube Studio Analytics, your ultimate tool for growth. Let's explore how to use data to fine-tune your content strategy. Start by focusing on 3 key metrics. 1. Audience retention, this shows how long viewers stick around. 1. A steep drop in the first 30 seconds? 1. Your intro might need more punch. 1. If retention dips midway, consider making your content more engaging with visuals or faster pacing. Look for spikes, these often indicate moments viewers rewatch or find particularly engaging. Use these insights to double down on what works. Next, monitor your watch time. This metric is crucial for growing your channel, as it directly impacts how YouTube recommends your content. Longer watch times mean better rankings, so focus on keeping your videos engaging from start to finish. Finally, analyze your click-through rate, center. A low center suggests your thumbnails or titles need improvement. Experiment with bolder designs, compelling text, or more curiosity-driven titles. Beyond analytics, listen to your audience. Read comments and take note of what resonates. Did a video spark lots of questions? Use that feedback to create follow-ups or new ideas. Adjust your content strategy regularly to stay aligned with viewer interests and trends. With the power of analytics and a willingness to adapt, you'll continuously improve and grow your channel. Coming up next, let's wrap up everything we've learned and prepare for your YouTube journey ahead. Conclusion: we've covered a lot today, and now you're ready to take on YouTube in 2025. Let's recap the key takeaways from this ultimate guide to launching and monetizing your channel. First, nail your niche. Find the sweet spot where your passions meet market demand. Then, set clear goals to guide your journey. Consistency is your superpower. Plan your content, stay on schedule, and keep improving with each upload. Engaging with your audience is just as important as creating content. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel like part of your community. And don't forget to monetize strategically. From ad revenue to sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and beyond, diversify your income streams to turn your channel into a thriving business. Now, it's your turn. Start your YouTube journey today. Drop your niche idea in the comments, I'd love to hear what you're passionate about. Who knows, your idea might inspire someone else too. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone dreaming of starting their channel, and don't forget to subscribe. In the next video of our online money-making opportunities series, we'll explore freelancing platforms that could change the game for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to making 2025 your year of success on YouTube. I'll see